Do you know what I am saying?
Well, yeah, to be riddling me, bro.
Got it, bro. Yeah. Well, that was a great rift. Yeah, you should jump off and see what happens here. Fucking idiot.
All my life, they try to keep me down.
They tried to fuck me. What the fuck? All my life, they tried to eat me out. Nails! That was a good reaction! Jesus.
No!
You know it's optimal to play Fortnite with a finger in your ass. They should have brown tier of weapons for like poop weapons and
Poop weapons. Poopy.
they're really pungent, but they only have so many uses because they're made of poop.
If you can't find any weapons, you just make your own. With your poop.
Yeah. Yeah, you can, it's like the crafting system.
Yeah.
Yes!
Nice.
Bad bitch, keep it 100. Woohoo. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, problem solved. Now you've run into the next one. I don't know what the thought process was there. Yeah, okay. I wonder what's gonna happen once he makes it past this part. There's clearly a thought out plan when he ran to the wall into a river. Oh, okay, that was a good use of 30 seconds. Stop. Stop it. Get my card, bro. Please, bro. Please. Yeah, that's gonna work. You're actually stupid. Dead. Is that your rocket? Oh, nice! He's in year 21. Yeah, normally I'm against eating pizza just for shield when you're looting, but with those nails, it's fine. You're brain dead, bro.
One more, I don't know where it is.
He's by me.
Oh, you wanna play?
Why did you, what possessed you to go land over there after you got rebooted, man? You just doing random things for real, bro.
I don't know what's going on at all.
Kill someone! Kill someone! Playing is the nails doesn't like to land with us.
Oh wow! Bro, there's two of them, Jack. Watch out!
Oh, I got rebounded dead.
I'm dipping.
You might be dead. Wait. No way. Toe Sniffer 2013? Are you 10 years old? Idiot. We're sprinting, bro. Oh, you little fucker. Optimus Rex. We have the Dorito defense on lock. Oh wait. There was like no reboot ban. The fat king Evan in the kill team. I'm sure he's a tubby little lover. Dude, that guy's moving like a insane guy. Oh, wait. Ready? Dude, they're so weird. I don't even know if they're in zone. Oh, nice. Oh, you killed Fat King Devin. Go up now. You have to go up now. Go up now. Nice. You're a genius. Are you wearing the Patrick Mahomes skin? That's kind of cute, honestly. I shouldn't even laugh. It's kind of wholesome, low-key. Nothing wrong with the Patrick Mahomes skin. Patrick Mahomes is a good guy. Probably a far fan of his. I'm sorry for